I wanted to share something with their age, which is very important. Last time I was trying to share this with them. They're all growing up children. Our bodies are they need to understand our body is made up of 5 elements: earth, water, air, fire, and ether, space. Start connecting each element with your body. Earth is your earth for me
Mother,
would be
mother,
uh,
mother.
yes, but in the body, it's like it's their skin, it's their bones. Fire is their energy, it's their hunger, it's their thirst. Air is their breathing. The air element is their breathing. Water is their blood. And ether is their emotions. First, start taking care of all these elements outside you. Don't waste water. You will never be deprived of the water element in you. Don't waste water. Take care of your breath. Take care of your surroundings. Take care of your hygiene. Take care of water. Don't waste water. Take care of Mother Earth. Take care of the fire element. Every time when you go to the kitchen, when you light the gas, thank Agni Ma for giving you energy, for giving you food. आपके अंदर ये elements in you, in your body, these elements will never get deprived. You will always have a connect with the cosmos. You will always have a connect with the universe. You will always have a connect with Mother Nature. These elements, now coming to space element, emotions. Take care of your emotions as growing children, as growing adults. Ether, space is limitless. Sky is limitless. That's emotions for me. Embrace each emotion. Each emotion needs to guide you in the right direction. And all that needs practice. Abhyas. So, last time I wanted to share this with the kids. I'm sharing this today so that all the kids can benefit. 5 elements: water, earth, fire, air, space. पहले बाहर ध्यान रखो, इनको वेस्ट नहीं करो, इनको नमन करो. In the morning when you get up, do Namo to Dharti Ma before putting your feet on the ground. You put your feet on the ground. आप देखना how well balanced your bodies will be, how well balanced your mind will be. छोटी सी प्रैक्टिस करके देखो, इसको करके कोशिश करो और अपने इमोशंस को ना पॉजिटिव वे में चैनलाइज करने की कोशिश करो, सारे इमोशंस.